How to reset the sound and audio settings of your smart TV. The first thing you need to do is to tap on the home button on your remote, and the next thing you should do is to just scroll to the right of the screen where you will find the gear icon of settings. Tap on settings. You need to scroll down and tap on display and sound. The next thing, just scroll down and tap on sound. From here, you need to scroll down. Right at the bottom you will find the reset option. So once you tap on reset, from here this will reset current audio settings to factory default. You will find this message. If you want to continue, just tap on yes and your settings will change to factory default. So guys, this is how you can reset the sound and audio setting of your smart TV. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.